Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse LT in a sterling gray metallic. This one is powered by a 2.5-liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our Gideon interior cloth heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here on the bottom left. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Up top to the left we have our volume scroll wheel, and in the screen itself we have our climate controls as well as down here. Below that we have our wireless charging pad, our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 cup holders, and some additional storage here at the bottom. In the middle we have more storage, and inside our middle console we also have extra space for anything you might need. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our drive modes and our automatic high beams and park brake settings. Moving along to the right side of the steering wheel here, we have our shifter, and on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition, audio controls, heated steering wheel, and our menu selector. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, our cruise control settings, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with Super Cruise that does require an active subscription. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside a rear view camera. It also does include a push to start ignition, as well as keyless entry and remote start. And up top we have our digital rear view mirror that you can turn on and off by the flick of a switch. Up top we have our power controls for our lovely full panoramic sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our Gideon interior cloth seats with our adjustable armrest on each side, and our seat controls here on the left or right hand side depending on what side of the vehicle you're on. In the middle we have our climate controls as well as our USB-C and our AC outlets. Behind each front seat there is cubbies with extra storage, and to retract these seats just pull up and it'll come down no problem to get you to the back here with 3 seats, a cup holder, and a USB-C charge port on each side. Checking out the exterior here on the LT, we do have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle with our front facing camera, inside of a grille, LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along down to the side here, if we take a look, we do have our 20-inch rims on our Continental tires, our adjustable side mirrors with the blinkers integrated along the side with our camera at the bottom, keyless entry like I mentioned earlier, black roof rails, and tint in the rear window. Moving along to the back here, if we take a look, we do have a power lift gate. We also have our quad exhaust at the bottom. Double tap to find your lift gate on your keys. It'll pop open no problem. You can also do it manually from the trunk itself. And when closing, you can just press this button right here or from your keys to close it as well. Inside, you'll find these hooks to strap in anything you might need. And of course, these seats are retractable. You can find the straps at the back. Just pull down, push, it'll come down no problem. Down here we have some additional storage space for anything you might need, and again plenty of space here in the trunk when needed. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Traverse LT in a sterling gray metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.